Hello, I am Regina Ignatova, a professional nail expert and educator at Artistic Touch Nail Training Academy. In this video, we are going to create a beautiful winter design with some accent snowflakes. Starting by painting the nails with gel polish. I am using silverish metallic gel polish, and then we're going to use gray for under the snowflakes for the accent fingers. This client does not like busy designs, she likes it slightly more simple. Underneath here we have BIAB already, we have prepped the nails, we applied the BIAB. In our case we have infilled the BIAB. You can watch that video as well, it's on my channel. And then we are using clear BIAB, and then in that same video I am explaining why that is and why it's much safer option for your returning clients. You can go and watch that video. It's going to be linked in the description down below. Now we are applying the gray polish, the gray gel polish onto the accent fingers. Even though this is not a complicated design, it is quite important to keep your base color nice and even before applying anything else at the top. You always want to take your time and have proper technique when you apply your gel polish, because your design can go messy very easily and your gel polish application can be mixed up very easy if you don't have a proper technique. We already know that the snowflakes are going to be onto those two gray fingers, so they're going to be our accent fingers. And when you do a design like a sticker, you typically want to seal quite a lot at the top. In my case, I'm going to put very thick top coat, or you can use two top coats, 2 layers of top coat, just to make sure that your stickers are going to last. So if you have BIAB underneath or nail extension, you don't want that to be too thick. So when you plan your designs, always know what you're going to do at the top and what your technique is going to be, because you don't want thick and too bulky nails afterwards. So you're going to put a lot less product underneath on the nail designs, but still keeping correct structure, and you're going to adjust your technique accordingly what you're going to do at the top, because it's going to create bulkiness afterwards. So now I am going to paint the nails. I am using 2 gel polish coats, and we are going to come with the snowflakes. So now we have applied our gel polish nice and thin, and we are ready for our design. Now I'm showing my client and she is picking up her snowflakes. I am going to grab a pair of tweezers, a small flashlight with stamper bit, a silicone stamper bit at the ends, and you're going to see why. Now I am taking up my snowflake and I am putting just a little bit base coat underneath, and now I am flush curing the snowflake with making sure that all of the sides are covered. Now I'm going to repeat this process onto all of the snowflakes. In my masterclass, Nail Decals and Stickers, Flawless Application Techniques, you are going to learn different processes apart from this one, different sticker stencils, decals, what is the difference, how to apply them properly, how to work with water decals, and 3D nail stickers, and how to secure them without any lifting, how not to create any bubbles, and I am also showing you how to create deep smile lines, and a lot of troubleshooting applications and tips and tricks. I am repeating the whole process onto all of the snowflakes, where I'm picking up a little bit of base coat, and then I am applying them and flash curing them with my small flashlight, especially for these stickers. And this is to ensure that they are pressed down and you don't have any ridges, because sometimes they would lift if you do not press them with the flashlight small lamp like this one. And you can see that I am doing one side and then I'm moving immediately to the other side, and then I am pressing and making sure that they are set properly so they don't move at all. The little one, as you can see, is very easy because you can grab it as a whole. And don't put too much base coat underneath, because it's going to go out of your sticker and it's going to create a lot of bulkiness. Now I am adding a little bit of gel polish, which is a snowy look gel polish. It is just a white glitter and it is looking like a snow. Now my client goes into the lamp for a full cure, and now I am just doing the same onto this finger. I'm adding the snowy glitter gel polish just to fill out, and this is a very good technique if you have any excess base coat or any lumps and bumps from your stickers, from your decals. This glitter always fixes everything, so glitter is your best friend in such designs. Now we are going to seal the nails with a top coat. Now we are applying a non-white top coat, and now I am going to level. So this means that I'm going to apply a much thicker layer on top of the snowflakes, and then because it's quite thick, it's more likely to run. That's why I am flash curing it with another lamp, which is much stronger. You can see what I am doing on those two fingers. I am flash curing it so it doesn't move because it's slightly more thicker. If a nail decals or stickers are something that you struggle with, I have a full masterclass available on artistictouchnailtrainingacademy.com. Now I am finished refining the nails, applying cuticle oil and cleansing the inhibition layer. If you enjoyed this video and if you find it helpful, comment down below and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. I am Radina Ignatova, founder of Artistic Touch Nail Training Academy and the Nail Wiki. Thank you so much for watching and see you soon.